How are you? Today we are going to draw a helicopter from the number 55. So let's begin. We draw 55 here. So this is the 1 5 and this is another 5. So 55, let's connect 1 5 with another 5. Make these two the full circle and draw another small circle in the center. Connect these two lines and also connect this line here. All right, now we are going to put a line here to make it a shape and looks like a helicopter. Let's draw like this. Okay, extend here. The line will be like this here and extend here. Draw along this. This line will go towards that line. All right, now we can extend it like this to draw the tail of the helicopter. Okay, let's draw a little one here. There's a small blade, looks like the propeller at the back. All right, when it swings, it has a dynamic effect like the wings here. All right, now let's put the fan on top of it. Draw a bigger blade here like this and another bigger blade here like this. These are the stands on which the helicopter rests on the ground. When it flies, it doesn't need any stand. There's a small detail in the front and the little detail here, and I think that's it. So the helicopter looks like this. Okay, we can do little detailing like this. Let's make the blades little darker. Also this blade little darker. This stood on the stands. Let's put shades on the front and on this circle. Shade on this circle too, and this circle. This is the half circle. Let's put little shade here. Shade on the stands. Also, we can put little shade on this too, and the blades. The helicopter is visible here. We can draw shades like this. Also, let's put shades like this. Okay, so this is the helicopter drawing initiated from number 55. I hope you guys like the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.